Stay tuned to see how I got this cute look. Welcome back to my channel. You see the purple box, so you already know what time it is. It is an unboxing and wig review from LuvMe Hair. This is my first time trying anything from LuvMe Hair, so I am so excited to get into what's inside of this beautiful purple box. So for starters, I'm loving this quote in the inside: enjoy your hair journey from now on. Love it. So before we get into what's in the purple bag, let's get into what else is inside of the box. So we have some headbands. We have a pack of 4. We have the color orange, red, black, pink, and purple. Then we have this cute little pouch with some much needed accessories inside. First step, we have a head wrap to tie down your edges to make sure they are sleek and laid. Then we have the LuvMe pin as a hair accessory. We have a band, some hairpins, and we have an edge brush to keep those edges laid. And last but not least, we have a wig cap. So let's get into the purple bag. This is the Throw On and Go headband wig from LuvMe, and this is the bob wig. I am so excited about this unit, so let's get into it. So again, this is the bob length headband wig. So it comes with the adjustable headband strap. It comes with a comb in the middle, 2 on the side, and 1 in the back. So before we put her on, we are going to put on our wig cap. And I've just put in some flat twists going to the back and then pin them up in the back. And then we're just going to put our wig cap right on top of it. So when I install my headband wigs, I always start with the clip in the back, and then I work my way to the front and install the clip in the front and then the 2 on the side. Then I'm just going to take those adjustable headband straps and attach those in the back. And again, this is the Throw On and Go headband wig. So literally all you have to do is throw it on and go. And here is the final look. Definitely loving this Throw On and Go headband bob wig. Definitely loving this. Can't wait to try some more units from LuvMe Hair. Let me know in the comment section below if you've tried anything from them. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.